This is a model of a tooth. For the tooth model, we'll do the three main sections first. This is called the crown of the tooth. This section sort of in the middle here, this would be the neck of the tooth. This would be essentially where your gum line comes, so what we call the gingivae. That'd be meeting kind of right here at the neck. And then these sections here would be the root of the tooth. If we open the tooth up and we look inside the tooth, you'll notice the white portion here. This is the enamel of the tooth, and this particular tooth has a cavity. This shows you the erosion, what we call a dental caries, the erosion through the enamel, and even into this material, which is called the dentin of the tooth. So this is dentin, and so the cavity eroded the enamel and the dentin. This area of the tooth, this is known as the pulp cavity. And the pulp cavity is connected to this portion of the tooth, which is called the root canal. And the root canal is where you have the nerve and blood vessels that run through the tooth. The bottom portion, in order for nerves and blood supply to enter and exit the tooth, you have to have what's called an apical foramen. So there's an opening at the bottom called the apical foramen.